Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Bob, and today I'm here to talk to you about CORTEXI. CORTEXI is an incredible solution that can help you eliminate those annoying noises and achieve better and healthier hearing. So, let's dive into the most important aspects of CORTEXI that I want to share with you. First and foremost, let's address where you can find CORTEXI to make a purchase. This is crucial, folks. When I was searching for the product online, I encountered numerous websites that appeared to be official but weren't. This can lead to a lot of confusion and mistakes. So, to make it easier for you, I've included the official link in the description below. Simply click on it, and you'll be directed to the official website. Remember, the official website provides accurate and reliable information about the product, ensures a safe purchase, and offers a return option if you're not satisfied. Plus, you can explore their promotions and more. Be cautious of other marketplaces, as they may not provide you with genuine CORTEXI or offer the same benefits. Now, let's talk about CORTEXI itself. This fantastic product has been in the market for a while and has received a plethora of positive reviews. The suppliers claim there hasn't been a single complaint about the product's effectiveness. What's even more fantastic is that CORTEXI is 100% natural. That means it has no side effects and poses no harm to your body. You can try it without any worries. CORTEXI is crafted from 20 carefully selected ingredients that support healthy hearing and overall well-being. Some of the key ingredients include grapeseed, an excellent antioxidant that protects the ears, green tea, which enhances blood flow to the ears, and maca root, known for boosting your energy. These ingredients offer benefits not only to your hearing, but also to your overall health. You can find more information about these ingredients on the official website. CORTEXI is a powerful and effective hearing support product that also boosts your energy throughout the day. Now let me tell you about the simple treatment plan. All you need to do is take a full dropper, which is approximately 15 drops, and place it under your tongue or dissolve it in water or natural juice. Do this twice a day, once before breakfast and once before lunch. However, remember, for the best results, you must do your part. Some people don't see results because they neglect their routine. Consistency is key. You should start noticing a difference within 2 to 3 weeks. But for truly amazing results, the supplier suggests taking CORTEXI consistently for 3 months. The best part is that CORTEXI offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you have plenty of time to test how this product works for you. If you're not satisfied or don't see the results you expected, you can get your money back with no questions asked. Keep in mind that everyone's body is unique, and results may vary from person to person. So, don't expect the same results at the same time as someone else. Respect your body, follow the routine, and you'll see the benefits. In addition to improving your hearing, CORTEXI can also sharpen your mental acuity and strengthen your memory. It's a complete package to enhance your life and get rid of those bothersome noises. All right, folks, that's a wrap. I hope this video has been informative and that CORTEXI can truly make a positive impact on your hearing health. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out. Before I sign off, please remember to subscribe and like our channel. Stay tuned for more great content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.